If all-weather traction and longevity are at the top of your priority list, then the affordable Sumitomo HTR Enhance LX might just be the tire for you. The Enhance will combine extremely long tread wear with on-road comfort while also being all-season capable. Your sizing will be 16, 17, 18, and 19-inch diameters, and section widths will be pretty modest overall. You're looking at 205 on the narrow side, all the way up to a 275 on the wider end. Pricing, guys, as always, will depend on your sizing, but expect to spend between $70 and $170 per tire. Now, Sumitomo is known for offering great bang for your buck rubber here on the site, including their ultra high performance lineup, the HTR Z series, in addition to all-season offerings like the HTR Enhance, which technically can be referred to as a Grand Touring all-season. Again, the big focus here, guys, you have to keep this in mind, is going to be the comfortable ride on the road with the extremely long tread life. In fact, over 70,000 miles you can expect to get out of these puppies as advertised with, by the way, an advertised warranty to back that claim up. And to get that kind of mileage out of a tire, one doesn't have to look much further than the advertised tread wear numbers, which for the T-Speed rated tire that we have on the table here today will be 700, obviously very high, along with a single A and B for traction and temp grades respectively. Now that's going to be very telling when it comes to performance, and that is the fact that you shouldn't be buying the Enhance here if you're looking for all-out handling and grip. That's not the case here, or that's not the MO of the Sumitomo. Instead, this tire will again be all about the on-road comfort and quiet ride along with the all-season traction. Now to help achieve this, Sumitomo went with their all-season compound, which is a little silica heavy, while also giving the tire an asymmetrical 5-rib 4-groove design and to help eject the water from the footprint while preventing any possible hydroplaning situations. Now again, the tread is asymmetrical, which will allow for your traditional rotations and does feature a heavy amount of siping, which are these little baby lines built into the tread blocks to further promote all-season capability. Now, even though this might not be the best bet when it comes to autocrossing or handling or anything like that, Sumitomo does bake in some tread design to help enhance your cornering stability and your handling. And that's mainly these large shoulder blocks here working with that notch center rib. But again, at the end of the day, if you're buying the HTR Enhance, it's because of the smooth and comfortable ride and not because of your handling characteristics. As always, keep in mind here, guys, that you can take advantage of our free mounting and balancing, your optional TPMS install, and free nitrogen fill if you'd like, when paired up with some of your favorite wheels that you'll find here on the site. In addition to that, we will ship them to your door absolutely free of charge. That way, when these guys arrive to you, simply unbox them, bolt them up, and you are good to go without any hassle. So if you're looking for a very long-lasting, comfortable tire that will get your daily driven Mustang through all 4 seasons, then be sure to check out a set of the Sumitomo HTR Enhanced tires right here at AmericanMuscle.com.